How to get Snapchat on PC or laptop. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to get Snapchat on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. What you can do is you can simply go to snapchat.com and you will land on this platform right here. We know that we use Snapchat on our mobile phone, but do you know that you can also access your Snapchat anytime, anywhere on your laptop or PC as well? So what you have to do is you can go to snapchat.com and then you have to go to snapchat.com/login and it'll take you to the login page right here. And now all we need to do is just enter our username for our Snapchat and our password. Make sure that it's the same password and username that you have on your mobile phone or whatever account you want to access. So you will enter the information right here and then you're going to select I am not a robot and click on log in, and you will be able to log in on your Snapchat on your PC or laptop. So that's how easy it is. We can even sign up for our Snapchat using our laptop or PC. So you click on sign up and it will allow you to create a brand new account on Snapchat. Enter your phone number right here, send link to your phone number, enter the code and you will have it. We can also download it through Google Play on our laptop or PC too, but you can access it online by going to snapchat.com. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.